Hello everyone and welcome on this new analysis on the USD dollar index from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So I'm actually really excited for the market to open tomorrow. We have tons of good opportunities, of course, especially on the EURUSD and Pound USD as well, and the gold also is showing a very good opportunity. However, we have to analyze the DXY or the USD dollar index. It's a major and very important part in trading Forex, especially for those who would like to trade the USD pairs. However, as you guys are aware of, there will be no specific entry for sell or a buy with this pair. Why? Because we are not looking to trade it. We are just looking to see how the DXY will be moving for the upcoming week and how we can actually place our trades on the USD pairs according to this pair. So it's actually usually being used to measure our entries and to decide if we will place our buy or sell. For example, if you want to trade the EURUSD, don't trade it without checking the DXY first to know how it will move. It plays a major role. And just for those who actually new to trading, it's really important to tell you something, guys, that for example, this is something, guys, that we have a lot of new traders, they don't know this thing. For example, if you trade the EURUSD, you have to check first of all the DXY. So let's say, for example, the DXY is showing a strong bearish movement. That means that the EURUSD is going to be bullish. Why? Because you're trading the EURUSD, and that means that the euro, if the USD is getting weaker, the euro will get higher. It's simple as that. So if the USD is getting weaker, the euro will get stronger. USDJPY, for example, no, sorry, not USDJPY, AUDUSD. AUDUSD is also vice versa. If the USD itself or the DXY is getting stronger, if it's getting stronger, then the AUD most likely will start the fall. So you have to look for a sell opportunity if you find a good opportunity for the buy on the DXY. And of course, if you are trading the USDCAD, it will be the same. You have to look if you find a good opportunity for the buy on the DXY, then you have to look for an opportunity to buy on the USDCAD, because you are trading the USDCAD, which will rise against the you are trading the dollar against the Canadian dollar, which will fall against the strength of the DXY or the USD. So this is actually really important, and I believe many new traders, they really don't know this thing here. Anyway, my friends, sorry for this very noob intro. I know I think 90% of you already aware about it, but again, just a small tip for those who really don't know about this, and I think there are many of them. Anyway, now what's next with the DXY? Well, let's just now move to the weekly chart, and the first thing that we can notice right here is a very strong key level of a resistance right here. Let me just see where exactly. That's gonna be exactly at I'm new to TradingView, 105.005. So that was indeed a very strong key level of a resistance, and as we can see, it was, remember, I'm on the weekly chart right now, so it was a strong key level of a resistance in the past. It became also a strong key level of a support, which has instantly been broken out from and became a resistance for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, guys, each candle represents a whole week, and that's why I'm counting each one of them. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 attempts of a resistance against almost 0 attempt of a support. Maybe one right here, barely an attempt right here. We can see 2, another 2, and that's it. It's a very strong level as a resistance rather than as a support. And also what we can notice right here, if we draw the support trend line, however, check this out. So right now we can see clearly that the DXY or the dollar has actually been respecting that level of a support trend line all the way since July. I think that was July 21. Oh my God. Since July 2021, it has been respecting that level of a support trend line and has finally made the bearish breakout from that level. So meaning the DXY most likely will continue the fall right now till it reaches the support at Fibonacci 61.8 right here exactly at 101.409. So therefore, we have to consider what? We have to consider buying the EURUSD, Pound USD, and AUDUSD, and of course sell the USDCAD and Could be USDJPY, but it's not really. That is actually a different story. USDCHF also, we can consider selling it. However, as we can see, my friends, that is the reason we have to consider selling against the dollar. Of course, with the gold, it's totally different story. However, now what's next with the DXY? Moving now to the daily chart. So right here on the daily chart, what we can see right here also is a strong key level of resistance right here exactly. As we can see, this level of a key resistance has actually been becoming a support all the way right here, but instantly been broken out from. So we have right here, of course, a strong key level of a resistance, became a support, then instantly been broken out from. Then again, after the bullish breakout from the same level, it became another support and instantly been broken out from. So meaning the DXY is respecting that level as a resistance rather than a support. So therefore what we can do next is simply waiting for the DXY to rise again, and that level of a resistance will most likely gonna be respected this time. So therefore I believe that this is gonna be actually a good zone to start shorting the DXY or actually buying against the euro. And however, if that happens, and of course we need just one final confirmation to show you the strength in this level, is by of course using the Fibonacci retracement. And check this out, that is so accurate. So right now, let me just make it more clear, like this, perfect. So as we can see, the market has indeed reversed last week from Fibonacci 61.8 and actually exceeded even Fibonacci 50. And right now it is exactly at 38.2. Now, most likely what will going to happen is that the market will reverse exactly right here at this level of a previous support, and after that will continue the fall toward 23.6. That's my expectation for the DXY. And another final confirmation, if you wish to, is using, of course, the resistance trend line, which can be applied just simply like this. Fantastic, so accurate, yes. Now, as you can see right here, we had the resistance trend line became a support trend line number 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally the bearish breakout candle, which means if the DXY will make a jump right now, it will first of all be respecting that level of a previous resistance at 103.685, and also it will be under the pressure of the previous resistance trend line. So all in all, DXY will be good to the short exactly from that level. We can place here like short, like this one. Okay, so we are looking for shorting the DXY till it reach that level of a previous support right here exactly. Sorry guys, this is actually my first time to do this. Exactly like that, like this. Fantastic, yes. So I think the number is clear, 103, and I don't know, I mean, I'm totally new to TradingView. Is it clear to you? Let me just make sure it's correct. It's clear. Let me just make sure that we can place it as our, I don't want to say take profit because we're not going to sell it, but that is, in my opinion, what we can look for the DXY to make a small pullback, and then it will continue the fall toward the previous key level of a support at 101.817. So I hope by this, guys, I have helped you to analyze the DXY. If you have any different opinion, please share with us in the comments. Don't be shy at all to share another view. It's always very welcomed. Any trader discussions is always welcomed on this channel. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.